welcome back to my channel, Reasonings with Chin. Big up to our lovely viewers, subscribers, supporters, families, enough love, enough respect, manners, and appreciation. And to other new subscribers, special welcome to you all. Silent listeners, silent watchers, bless up on a nice, clean, good self. And please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Turn on your post notification bell so that you can be notified when a new video is uploaded. And most importantly, remember for watch the ads. You don't have to watch the entire thing, you understand? But just a minute or two, if you can spare that, appreciate it. And big up to all of the people that want to have to remind them, as you know, come on, know so on of a do, then do. Big up to respect, salute, yeah, right there, so. Make we get down another video now. We're gonna get straight into the video. Yeah, come here, Tlady, I do a live earlier. I mean, catch a light, you understand, my love, because as usual, I don't know, so she not keep them up. Yeah, when she over there chop badness or something, she not keep up them there. But one part tight we catch me here, she has said, we go spread back bed in our house for anybody we are come after our business. Me ask you a question. Tlady, who believe you? You serious? You serious, Tlady, truly to God? Kiss the cross. You serious, Tlady, so you will go back behind them, the walls, they go spread bed. You're wicked to yourself, Tlady. Are you not serious? You can't serious, Tlady. Five years, but like I say, you not learn. Then Tlady, you not see, oh, you out here behave. The mentality where you have right now out here is like I say, you're still the back of bars, you know, Tlady. You're out here, I behave like I say, you're not free. You're still under bandage, you're still under chains. And you really and truly would go back there, so Tlady say, yeah, we go spread bed there. You're sure you want that? Tlady, careful what you wish for, you hear me? Careful what you wish for, mama. Cause me know you see so, but deep down you're not serious. Cause you don't want to go back there, so cause me hear say you know, ma. It's a place of hell and torment. Me never go there, and me wouldn't want to go there. And you go there already, I want to go back. You're wicked to yourself. Oh man, you're very cruel to yourself. Yes, and me have a it again. So you have a very nasty habit. You're Tlady. You have a very nasty habit. You don't know manners, you don't know respect, and you don't have no behavior whatsoever. You don't know farmer brought up, see. Imagine you over there, I do the live. You understand? And me over there, I watch. Me, big woman like me sit down over there, I watch the live. Me no catch the whole of it. And you done the live. And when me done the live, me go back. And me say, you not take it down. And me say, oh, she a learn manners. She a learn respect. And me did a listener galang. Only if you find out, say this isn't a top player. You no have no manners. You no no respect. And you know, say, if me no watch the live, then me can't carry the Tory good. You understand me? Me I go carry lean up Tory. Me only I go can't carry peace I Tory. You have to do better answer, man. You have to do better answer because you're a bad woman and you're over there chop badness. If you're over there chop badness, you must bad enough to keep up the life so that me can watch it and carry the news back. Go tell the people them where you're over there chat say. But you're not bad, Tlady. You're not no bad girl out here. You're no bad girl out here, man. You're only bad pan the mouth, man. For anyhow you did bad any at all, you would have make it turn right there, so. And who want come call look? Come call look. And who want pick you up cap and then channel go chat like myself, yeah? Make them do it. But you hidey. You hidey. Anyway, me don't go keep your secret, you know, Tlady. Me don't go keep your business. That's the little part where me hear me, I go back, go chat. Me I go right over my channel, go tell me people them where you over Facebook. I say, I go and chat and keep your business. Yes, my dear children. But before me tell you nothing more about Tlady, now you mixy you. You mixy you. You come here. You come here. Because say if you like I say they will ride you. You pick up yourself now, come out here, say you are do skit. And you know, so when you do answer the same thing, that it a go rock la shackle Tlady chaka nerve because you know say Tlady nerve cell them all over the place already. Then kata they no organize. And yet you come out here and say them the same thing they fi send the woman go a mad house before time. And your sister she already depend her way if you go to the mad house. The one they get screw well left. It already cross thread and can tighten back. And you come out here, you mixy, come out here and say the same thing there. Yeah, he's very out of harder. When the backside you take yourself now go and trace Master Baker and trace her and tell her about cupcake for. Where you go and trace Master Baker and tell her about cupcake for? And you say you Betty you a problem too. You Betty you a problem too. If I never you, Mixie would have never hear what Master Baker over there chats about her. Imagine Mixie there roadside, hustle her lily, two lily kerchief them, a hustler lily kerchief them. You understand? We save up the two lily shilling a penny where she have figure cartel concert and you take up yourself, make Satan take your hand them and your little bad color fingernail them, go type up phone number and call the woman pan her hustling figure her sauce. You Betty. And you know what you're doing. You know say Mixie mouth no have no breaks. And she go talk the things them. See it there now? She style up the baker girl. She style up the baker girl. We accuse her of thieving her bleaching cream and her makeup them. And she style her up in the worst way. And tell her how much her body where the doctor them make. Favor when her granny used to park rent I am in a crocus bag yaga market go sell. You know hear them height of slackness and them height of hot hardness you know all because of you Betty, all because of you mama not tell the woman how she favor lizards. Eh? Eh? How the woman lopsided? I don't know said in that baker woman from up in New York where do her body. You understand handle which part of her no cuss her and tell her Holly well said the doctor them no make her good. You understand everybody else doctor carve out and doctor chop her out. I don't know she go pick it up and say her. I know still. You Betty, not who know you Betty have hard person, you still take up yourself, go call the woman and carry news to her. See that now? See then now Tlady pick you up off for herself and say, as she mixy and attack. As she. But my question to you, Tlady, all of them the same thing they no applies to you. Where you pick them up for? Where you pick them up for? Your body shape like a when rent I am no pack good in a crocus bag. Tlady? Are you buying cupcakes and get them back at your place, go decorate them and go back, go sell them? You're guilty, Tlady. Tlady, are you guilty, ma'am? Are you not guilty? See, then now you come out here and fling THREAT. You sure you can manage back that, Tlady? So if you know what good for you, man, you're careful of the things then we are come out of your mouth here, because you just might get where you wish for. Yes, my dear children. So, she said, oh, she a go do back skit. She go and skit out back lady the baba. But Tlady you know you're fool, ma'am. Tlady you is fool. You is very, very fool, ma'am. All you do is take yourself about you as laughing stock, as usual. You just make yourself look very, very stupid, Tlady, ma'am. For all I know, I never hear your name call. Your name don't call where you pick up for I no have this tendency. You no have this tendency, you no name no have to call. Uno make this woman have so much control and powers over Uno. She have Uno like a puppet pantry. She no have to cuss Uno or call Uno name me no. All she have to do is come out here and fling so sitting out here Uno pick you up. She know exactly which part fi stick on the backside fi hurt. Then me now put her in a fi me right mind. And make somebody have so much powers out here over me. And I know God. So much control over me and it's not God who no must are sick. Where? Which woman? Which man? Which boy or girl could have so much control over female life? Have I been a robot? Mercy God. Now me dear children, she come back out again pan another life still angry and upset as usual. You know I play a victim same way. And I repeat the same story that she keep on repeating all these years and nothing new. And this just go for show so them not have a thing per lady because every minute them come out at the same thing. We tired to hear them the story now, man. Give us something new. Give us something new, man. I don't know once she come out with them the story that you know she up to something. Once you hear she come out with them the story that she up to something. She has soft no heart. I even know. You been hear the same thing all these years. She still know how to play on over the way sit down and listen. Yeah, so first it was the cake war. Well, me would even call it cake war, you know, because she alone in that the cake war there. She alone in the cake war, just like how she alone in the t-shirt war. She alone create them the war there, and she and herself backload them the war there. Now a skit war, because a skit now you know she decides say she not backing down. She not back down, so she make sure you know make the people them know say, oh, me over YouTube, no. I skip me, I go skip them out, you know, the whole of them, and I go skip them out, you know. I'm going to capitalize off of her a full time. But lady, a long time you've been a capitalize off a lady. I know just now you've been capitalizing off of her for years, but you just never want to admit it. Yeah, you've been doing the most lady, and you just don't want to accept it. All you do is come and point your finger by you, you. And the big finger will point back by you. You're not see that one day. Everybody a trouble you, but you never trouble nobody. Your slate clean like I don't speak me book. Yes, my love, and she make it be known plain and straight. She make it be known plain and straight, say. Anyhow, because based on the part in the skit where Lady D talk about the cupcake, where she asked Master Baker if she wants to make she top sell cupcake up there, she pick it up and she said that the part there a fear too. So at this now she make it be known loud and clear, sir. She we spread bed in a workhouse. You understand? Yeah, she will go back there, sir. And you know when she has said, she has try say it in a way if you know come across like it is a THREAT. You understand? But yes, Tlady, you say it. You say you will spread bed in our house for the woman. Any one of them come after you. Business, I say you will spread bed into workhouse. So she never said workhouse. She said PRISON. Yes, that's what she said. Loud and clear. Tlady, me I carry back. Go tell the people them say you see so. Can you say it and you delete it? Or you private it, whatever you do with it over there by your platform, you say so. And that she say, my love, that she say. I don't know, she been on name up herself for the past few days from the chef man go up in her territory. She been on name up herself and I go on with herself. Right after that, no mix it come out with the play sound. No say, head hot. Now get no rest, now get no sleep because it's obvious. None whatsoever. Because if you no check, you no can see the dark circle, them under her eye big like a bicycle rim. Yeah, man, the eye bag, they start fever seed bag. Once you know see that, you know, don't know session and get no rest, no sleep. Till you, ma'am, you need to take a break, ma'am. You need to take a breather. Stop put additional strain and pressure upon your mom. Age already a beat your caca bad. So now add to it. You want in your 50s for your son start touch your 50s now. You want up in your 50s, mama, start favor one lady over so what the whole of we know? Eh? You want up in your 50s, mom, and start looking like a great grandma. Start favor ancestors. Like I say, you're the board from when we ancestors they used to chop cane and pick cotton, mom. Hey, ma. No man, Tlady, do better than that. Do better than that, Tlady. You can't make one woman do your so. The people that out here give you insomnia. No, girl. No, you don't love yourself. You don't love yourself. You need to go turn up in front of the mirror and give yourself a fine saline. Give yourself a fine saline. Until yourself learn to have behavior. Right now, anybody here you should have war, should have you are yourself. So that you can start do better and start give yourself the proper care where you deserve, ma'am. You can't rough up yourself, so man, you look rough. Tlady, you look rough, you talk about refined. Don't lie to yourself like that, ma'am. You're not refined again. You are not refined again. You look rough, you look coarse, ma'am. You need to do better, man. You need to do better. Good God, man. I see. Anyways, you guys, thank you all for tuning in. Please remember, if you reach this part of the video and you haven't liked it as yet, touch the like button, show a girl some love, show a girl some support. Pick up on a nice, clean, good self, and I'll see you all in another video. Have a safe, wonderful, and a productive day. Peace out. Bye-bye. We are getting to showers now. I kind of cool down the heat little, and you know me tempted to go all while wash off in the heat. Yeah. But I feel like going on no bathroom, them the showers that we are beat. My love, I feel like I'm going to run up and down in there. So I will see you though. Bye-bye. Later.